Hello, welcome along. Let's try to go over one of the scenarios which we'll be using in our course to understand and implement our initial Camunda workflow process. Okay, let's assume we work for an organization and it happens to be that all the employees there, they tend to take pictures and post stuff on Instagram, but the boss is kind of really strict and wants us to, you know, uh, take that whatever post you want to do on Instagram or any platform like that has to go through a review process, and we'll try to build a QA review process using Camunda as a workflow engine. Okay, and to draw that, you could pretty much do it on a pencil, using a pencil and a paper, but the best way of doing that in order to understand Camunda better is utilizing the Camunda modeler, which I have opened and kept ready so that we can go over it and implement something interesting. Okay, so what I have right now is a start process, a start shape. As soon as I launch a new diagram, I get the start shape by default. And let's say uh, this review process starts with mm, Instagram post received. Okay, we receive the Instagram post, and then what happens after that is a task where review of post is done, and then of course once everything goes fine, we will have an end shape which talks about uh, the post insta post handled well, or you could have another outcome for this, and that could be, the post could be rejected, right? Insta post rejected. Perfect. Okay, and then what happens after this, after the post is reviewed, uh, it's pretty much approved. Okay, so let me add approval process to this thing, and let me connect this using a connector. Okay, okay, and then what are we doing here? We are trying to see if this is approved. Okay, and if it is approved, it will the post will be published. So I'll have a process which tells publish post on Insta. Okay, and if not, the post notify employee of rejection. Right, very simple process. It just talks about, if a given post is approved and it goes through approval, and if the same is being eligible to be posted using one of this workflow process we are trying to implement, something like that. That's what pretty much it is doing. So this is a scenario we'll be looking at, and we'll be implementing the process and designing uh, the process flow diagram is this simple in Camunda. We'll be enhancing this further and understanding what all aspects we can introduce as part of this learning journey. So hang on and join me in learning Camunda in detail, step by step. Catch you in next video.